Step into the 2015 Chevrolet Colorado. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.